Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the exact break so you know where thread will carry load. A cracked temple versus a missing hinge needs different wrapping. Once identified, position the glasses on a flat towel and bring the thread and needle within reach. Thread a 15-20 cm length double for strength and not the end. Make a small dab of superglue on the knot to lock it. This gets you into the repair immediately, preserving alignment before detailed wrapping begins. Now you stitch. Pass the needle through any existing hole or loop the thread around the broken sections, pulling snug each pass so tension transfers across the break. Continue wrapping 8 to 12 tight turns, spacing evenly to distribute force. If the frame is thin, spread wraps slightly to avoid cutting. Once wrapped, apply small dots of superglue between layers to lock them, let cure for a minute, and then add 1 coat of clear nail polish. Make sure the temple finish by trimming the thread close to the knot and sealing the cut end with superglue or clear nail polish so it won't fray. Once cured, gently flex the frame open and close 10 to 15 times to seat the wraps and detect any movement. If you see slippage or the joint feels loose, rewrap with additional turns or add a small bead of epoxy over the repair for structural support. One troubleshooting tip: if alignment changes, loosen and retension wraps before glue fully cures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.